What if I told you this robot vacuum can map your entire home, avoid getting lost, and clean with a massive 5,000 pascals suction power all without you lifting a finger? The ILIFE V20 robot vacuum cleaner is quickly getting attention, and honestly, it's easy to see why. First surprise, this robot packs an impressive 5,000 pascals suction power. That's strong enough to pull dust, pet hair, crumbs, and dirt from hard floors and carpets with ease. If you have pets, kids, or just hate seeing dust gather every day, this feature alone is worth paying attention to. But suction power isn't even the most interesting thing about this robot. The real game changer is its SOF LiDAR smart navigation system. Instead of randomly bumping around your home like older robot vacuums, the ILIFE V20 creates an intelligent map of your rooms and cleans in a systematic pattern. Think about it. No wasted battery, no cleaning the same area 5 times, no getting stuck in every corner, faster cleaning, better coverage, smarter routes. And here's a question. How much time would you save every week if your floors cleaned themselves while you're working, relaxing, or even sleeping? Another feature people are talking about is the app control. From your phone, you can start cleaning remotely, schedule cleaning sessions, monitor cleaning progress, adjust settings, customize cleaning zones. Imagine being away from home and starting a cleaning session before you even walk through the door. Sounds pretty convenient, right? Here's something many buyers overlook. The ILIFE V20 lets you create custom cleaning areas. Need the kitchen cleaned more often? Want the living room done daily but the guest room only once a week? No problem. The customizable cleaning options give you much more control than basic robot vacuums. And this raises an interesting question. Why clean your entire house every day when you can tell the robot exactly where to focus? Battery low? No worries. The self-charging feature means the robot automatically returns to its charging dock when needed. That means less babysitting, more automation, more convenience. And let's be honest, isn't the whole point of buying a robot vacuum to do less work? Final verdict. If you're looking for strong 5,000 pascals suction, smart LiDAR navigation, app control, custom cleaning zones, automatic self-charging, then the ILIFE V20 is definitely a robot vacuum worth checking out. But here's the thing. Pictures and specs only tell part of the story. There are features, current pricing, and user experiences that might surprise you. Click the link below this video and see all the details for yourself before making a decision. You may discover something that makes this vacuum an even better deal than you expected. Comment below. If a robot vacuum could clean only one room in your house every day, which room would you choose and why? I'm curious to see the answers. If you found this review helpful, like the video and share it with someone who's tired of vacuuming every week. And don't forget to subscribe. It's completely free, and you'll get more smart home gadget reviews, tech finds, and money-saving discoveries. Check the link below now to see the latest details on the ILIFE V20 before everyone else does.